Hi guys, what's up? Kamusta po kayo? Welcome to my vlog. My name is Jeff. For today's video, we will make delicious special macaroni fruit salad early morning. Niluto na natin ang ating sago at yung ating macaroni salad at nag-slice na rin tayo ng ating fresh apple. In a cooking bowl ay i-add natin ang ating whole kernel corn. So yung slice of banana, luto na rin ito. At yung ating gulaman, meron tayong pandan flavor. So yung green at meron tayo yung red color. And so i-add na rin natin ang ating naluto na macaroni. And so i-add na rin ang sago. At maglalagay tayo ng ating mayonnaise. Meron pa tayong thick cream. Yummy talaga ang ating special salad. Lalagyan natin ito ng blueberry at saka yung ating cheese. Maganda rin tayo ng ating sweetened condensed milk. Creamy at masarap talaga ito. At ilalagay na rin natin ang ating cheese. Meron tayong cheddar cheese. In-slice ko siya ng small size cubes at maglalagay na rin tayo ng ating raisin. Masarap ito at meron pa siyang special raisin. Nag-drain na rin ako ng ating fruit cocktail, so i-add na rin natin ito at syempre ang ating special blueberry. Yummy ito guys at imimix lang natin ito at ilalagay natin ito sa fridge para lalo siyang masarap at para siya lumamig at kakain tayo nito at ready na ang ating special macaroni fruit salad with blueberry special and cheese. Kain tayo guys. For dessert, masarap na macaroni fruit salad. Let's enjoy the dessert and thank you so much for watching my video and see you next time. Bye bye. Ingat pa.